Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So at these earbuds we have touch areas at the back side, right here at the top, and also on the sides, right here we have them. So let's get started with this on the sides touch controls. And also, later I will show you how to customize these touch controls, because now I will show you default one. So we need to play some song, and firstly, so if you press one time at this touch control, you will play or pause the song, but I need to put it to my ear. Now, one time, I pause the song, one more, and I play a song. If you press 2 times, you will play next track. 1, 2, and it works. If you press 3 times on your left or right earbud, you will play previous track, but we need to play a song. Okay, maybe this one. 1, 2, 3, and it works. Also, if you slide down at the touch control, you will lower the volume. If you slide up, you will increase the volume. But I need to also put it to my ear. Now let's play a song. Now I'm going to slide up. And as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. Now slide down. And as you can see that I lower the volume. Okay. Next, let's move to... Oh no, also we have press and hold with sides touch controls, but I need to open the application, so just give me a second. Okay, so right here we have ambient sound control. Right now I use normal mode, and if I press and hold, I will swap between these modes. By default, you can swap only between ANC and transparency, but then I will show you how to change it. So, press and hold with the right earbud, because left earbud have another feature. Now press and hold again at the right earbud, and as you can see, I use transparency. But I cannot return to the normal mode by default. I will return to ANC. Okay, if I press and hold at my left earbud, I will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe Gemini if you set up Gemini, or maybe Bixby if you have Samsung. So press and hold. And as you can see, Siri awake. And now let's move to touch areas at the back side. Okay, so I need to play a song again, and if you press 2 times with backside touch area, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2. As you can see, I just paused it. Now let's try the left one, and the left one also works. And if you press, if you make triple press, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3, and it works. Now let's move to customize. So you need to open HUAWEI Live application. Again, you need to, of course, add your earbuds to the app. You will see them at the device list. You tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and right here at the right side we have gesture control. So firstly we have sides, touch areas, and as you can see, this feature what I said to you, to customize it you can just press on it, but we haven't a lot of options here, so we can only disable it, or use it. You cannot set something else to, let's say, call voice assistant or something else. Then we have press and hold. Oh, and right here, firstly you can set to change ambient sound control for the left earbud. If you want to, you just tap and select ANC. But let's return to it. If you want to swap also to normal mode, you need to click at the check mark right here, and now we will swap between normal mode, and ANC and transparency. Swipe, you cannot change it, you have only adjust volume, but we cannot set adjust volume to another gesture, so I recommend it to leave it if you want to, of course, have volume control. And then we have backside touch area. So right here for the double press you can set to call voice assistant. If you want to, you just click here and click wake voice assistant. Now you can use it, or you can also set to play next or previous track. And for the triple press we have only play next or previous track. So you can set, let's say, for the left earbud to play previous track. And that's it. Also you can answer the call or finish the call by double press or by single press with side touch area. And you can also change, but I mean, you can disable it and the same with reject. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.